What matters is yung commitment ko doon sa i-coach natin ngayon. So yun yung number one siguro sa lahat ng may mga business. You deliver what you promise. You are committed to your clients. Date, time, the quality na pinangako mo, the services na sinabi mo, whatever you have promised to your clients, you need to deliver that. That strengthen your relationship, you as a business owner and your client. So, napakahalaga nun. So, we're in Hong Kong na tayo, from Macau to Hong Kong, and mimit natin yung mga delivers natin dito. And may coaching tayo. So, kanina pa kami nagmamadali ni Ma'am Joyce. Ngayon ganito, natutunan natin ngayon just going from Hong Kong, from Macau to Hong Kong. Two things. Number one kanina, ano tawag dito, yung commitment mo sa work, commitment mo sa business. Kasi kanina, I'll just meet one person here sa Hong Kong. And ito kas kanina ng mabilis. Mamadali ako. Then, ito kas how many dollars just to go here. Pero it doesn't matter to me, the time, the money. What matters is yung commitment ko doon sa i-coach natin ngayon. So yun yung number one siguro sa lahat ng may mga business. You deliver what you promise. You are committed to your clients. Date, time, the quality na pinangako mo, the services na sinabi mo, whatever you have promised to your clients, you need to deliver that. That strengthen your relationship, you as a business owner and your client. So, napakahalaga nun, at yun yung isa sa minsan baka tayo sa mga sa mga businesses that we forget to deliver what we promise. During marketing, so you're promising many things, but in the end, so you're just delivering 60%. So you cannot have a repeat customer if you're doing that, and negative things will easily spread out to the community. So it's a bad idea in your business not to have that commitment, 100% commitment to deliver your promises to your business. Okay? And second, I mentioned it to Ma'am Joyce that you need to, kanina we observed the synchronization of from the bus to ferry boat from Macau to Hong Kong. So sabi ko nga sa kanya, you should have synchronized. So you just need to do the business, that's the ferry, the bus and everything, synchronize to the movement of the clients. So your business and your clients should be synchronized. You adjust, you synchronize your services to your clients, you synchronize your business ideas to your clients. Dapat synchronize kayo ng yung needs nila, adjust, synchronize it, diba? To the time they are available, synchronize your availability to the time na kailangan kanila, synchronize your what you offer to their needs. So it's about synchronization. So I don't know if there's a word synchronization, but you just need to synchronize your ideas, diba? Your time, everything is scheduled so that you will tawag dito, one of the one of the ways na magtatagumpay ka sa iyong negosyo. Okay, so don't forget two things, the commitment and you synchronize your business. Okay, so ito na, magmi-meet na tayo ng ating business partner. Hello po. Hi po. Hi, kumusta po?
Ako po yung kinexpo natin.
Ay, hello po. Ito sa mga... Ay, kumusta po ba? Sorry.
Hello. Glad to meet you again.
Ma'am Lord, lahat po, delivers natin. Pino-forward ko lang lahat kay Ma'am Lord, lahat ng mga nagtatanong. Si Ma'am, member ng I Can Change team. Hello, ma'am. Ako, deliver si ma'am.
Kinouse me to.
Yan, oo, na-coach ko before. Kumusta ba yung pag-coach?
Meaning na mamit si Mag na sila.
Okay. Kumusta, ma'am? Kumusta sa Hong Kong?
Ayos po.
Nagmadali kami kanina eh. Sa ano. And anyway, so, ayan na, mag-kwento muna kami. Sige, see you.